What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to create a custom header for your Shopify store. So here, as you see, I have the Shopify web page opened and I'm signed in with my account, and here is my store name on the top right corner, and here I have my dashboard with many options. So what you want to do to create your own custom header is go to online store from the left, and from here you choose themes. It's the first choice that is chosen by default, and the good thing is you can apply this code that I'm about to show you on any theme. My current theme is the Dawn theme, so I can edit and add this code to it, and you can do it also with any theme that you choose for your store. So here it says my current theme is the Dawn theme. I can customize it, and you can also, as I said, do so with any theme that you choose. So I'll go to the three dots here next to customize, click on it and click on edit code. It'll open the edit code page here for the Dawn theme, and in the search title I wanna write down header. So in the sections here you will find header.liquid. You want to choose it, and here it'll open the code for your header. The code here is very long, it has like many hundreds of lines. Okay, so for my theme it's on around line 342. You want to see here the section settings sticky header type. So once you find it, you want just in the line beneath it, you want to have like some space, so you hit enter to create a new line, and below it, in this gap below the sticky header section, you want to go ahead and copy this code. I'll leave it to you in the video description. Copy it and then paste it here. So paste, and then you want to just make sure the code is pasted, and then you want to click on save here. So what this code does is that it allows you to, if you scroll down on the page, your store, so the menu items at the top will be sticky. So that means if like a client like scrolls down, the menu items that are on the top will still be visible, they will not disappear. I'll show you what I mean in a second. So here, once I've gone ahead and click on save to save the code, the changes I made to the code. Now let's go here to preview store. So if I go and preview my store to see the changes, so here the menu at the top, or the header that says my store and has the home, catalog and contact options, if I scroll down and just scroll up just a little bit, you'll see here that the header pops up. So it does not stay at the top of the page only, so this is like the sticky header. So when you leave the scroll, this header will pop up and will still be visible whenever, or even if you scroll down to the bottom of the page. So that's what sticky header does. That's the code that we pasted. And once you've added like a sticky header through code, you can just go ahead and close this preview page, and the code is saved. Now let's exit the code editor, and we can further customize the header style, the font, the options, and so on. If we click here on customize next to the theme, so here we can customize our store and the different pages. So this is the home page, the products page, the collections. We can customize or edit any of the pages. So let's stick for the home page now, and that's the home page for our store. We can edit all the elements. So for this video, we want to focus on the header, so we will click on header here, and it'll open the header settings. We have the settings for the header, our header here. So the desktop logo position, and you can edit the logo in the theme settings. So if you go to theme settings, we can select a logo, so you do not see a logo visible, so you can select a logo, or for this case I'll go ahead and explore the free images to add a logo to my page just to show you. Okay, let's go with this image. Okay, this one looking good, and click on select. Now it'll appear here as a logo. Now let's close the image here, and we'll go to the theme settings, or the header settings, sorry, for the home page. and we can choose here the placement of the logo, and the menu, the main menu here, we can change it. So we can change the menu or remove the menu, so we can do so as well. We can choose the drop down menu or mega menu, and it says that the menu type is automatically optimized for mobile. So we have here the desktop view, the mobile view, so that's how your store will look on the mobile browser. Now the sticky header, we can choose here the option, so we can disable it, make it on scroll up, so when you scroll up, as I told you before, or always show. And here if we scroll down, you can see here the header stays at the top all the time. And if we disable the sticky header, when we scroll, the header will not show. We can also show the separator line, so this gray line that separates the header from the page, or we can disable it to like merge the two of them. And here we can change the colors. So we have the color scheme here, that's the black and white. We can change it, so we can like choose this one, and the header will change the style based on the color. And we can choose the menu color scheme for the menu here. We can go ahead and choose this one, so with the black background. Okay, here it is. And we can go to also the scheme itself, we can edit it, so we can choose the background color. Let's make the color like red. As you see, it's updated in real time. And we can choose a background gradient, a text color, a solid button color, a like an all outline button, a shadow, and so on. So we can edit all the elements here for the menu. And we can also add a country or a region selector. And the mobile layout, we can edit it. We can also edit the margins, so the bottom margin, we can make it bigger. As you see here, it will be bigger now. It's bigger, the bottom margin. And the padding, the top padding, and the button padding here. And we can also view the theme settings, like the card type, pop-up notification, drawer, and the desktop logo width here. The logo is the pie photo. We can make it wider or larger. As you see here, the blue line is indicating it's loading, and now it's bigger. Okay. Now these are the settings for your header, so you can go ahead and edit the header settings the way you like to, customize your store's header the way you like to. And that is how you can edit your header and customize it the way you like on your Shopify store. But however, you might notice that here I have many settings that you may not find, or you can find in your layout settings or your header settings, many options that are not available here since I am using the Dawn theme. So the options here may vary a bit based on the theme. So as you can see here, I have the logo and I have no menu buttons. However, if I have menu buttons, I can change the desktop logo position compared to the menu buttons or the menu options, and I can choose the desktop menu type, so drop down. When I click, the drop down menu will appear, and so on. So the settings or the options may vary depending on your theme or the theme that you have on your store.